In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A26 and today I would like to show you how you can enable Keyboard Toolbar. First of all, you need to launch Settings and scroll to click on this section called General Management. Then select Samsung Keyboard Settings. And when you're ready, scroll to use this switcher next to Keyboard Toolbar. As you can see, mine turned blue. That means that Keyboard Toolbar is on. If you want to switch it off, you can go back to the same section through Settings, or now, thanks to Toolbar, use this gear at the top of it to access them right away. After tapping on blue switcher, select OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!